So hey everyone, I'm back with very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can track earthquakes in real time worldwide in a map. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for the URL earthquake.usgs.gov/earthquake/map. If you cannot go to the URL, just simply search this on your search bar, and just simply hit enter and open the first website that appears right in front of you. When you open it, you're gonna find this US website that shows you real-time earthquake situations around the world. You can go through it, and it has a history data also that shows you at which exact location how much magnitude of earthquake have been occurred. So you can go through this website. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.